Hello friends, this is Vijay from AppsTT. Today we are going to learn query function with data validation. Stay tuned. First, how do we create a data validation? Before that, I have a two sheet. One is population and another is raw data. Right now, I have to create a data validation using this city. We have three options to create the data validation. What is the first option? Select the column and go to the data and data validation. There is an option called list of items. In here, we need to enter the data separated by commas. For example, I need to add Chennai, comma and Delhi. Then click save. Now I have a Chennai and Delhi in the data validation column. The second option is select the C column, then go to the data and data validation. Previously, we used list of items to add the data manually. Instead of that, we could use the from range. Then select the range from population table. We can select entire table and starting from 2. 2 is nothing but we have ignore the first row of header. Then click OK. Then save it. Now we can check all the city are updated which we selected in the range. Third option is in here we have selected the range from population table, right? So instead of that we could save this range as a named range. How do I do that? First we need to select the same range and go to data and named range column. In here given name to the named range. So for example we have select the city, so we named as a city. The range starting from B to B. Already we ignore the heading. Then click done. Once we create the named range, then go to the column, then we'll go to the raw data and select the data validation column. Then again go to data and data validation. In here we no need to enter the range. Instead of that we could add the named range. In here we need to add this city named range. Just click save. Now it's automatically populate the data from the named range. If we change the city, it will populate the data based on the city. That means if suppose we select the Bangalore, it will show the Bangalore data. How do I do that? It's very simple using the query function. I am starting with the query function equal to and query. Already we know query have a 3 parameter. One is data, another one is query, and last one is the header. The data is nothing but we need to select entire population sheet. We need to select the column. In here we have a 3 column. First one is starting with rank and second column is state and third column is population. In here A is represents the rank column, C is represents the population column and D is represents the state column. So we have to select using the select command. Select, first we need to select the rank, comma, then select the state. In here state is D column and again we need to select the population in the C column. And also we have a condition which we select the city only populate the data. So in here city is in B column, so I have select the B equal to, and this is a string, so I need to add single quote and double quote ampersand. Condition is if we select the C1, that is data validation column changed, and populate the data based on the data validation column and select that column. Again close the double quote. Okay, then header. In here we no need a header because already we have it, so we can add 0 and close the parenthesis. In here it was source the data from Bangalore. So if suppose I need to change Chennai, it automatically populate the Chennai data based on the data validation city selected. Please subscribe for more learning video. This is sign off from BJ.